This is going to be the Driving with Miles Driving Skills Report. I'm going to be talking about some of the fundamentals you need of driving. We drove about 9 hours today, so I'm going to be going through what we did today, what you need to do to pass your test, or as an adult, reach out to me and set up a driving session with me to help you, a coaching session. So when we first get in the car, we want to make sure that we're safe and secure. You want to lock your door, put on your seatbelt. Seatbelt is on. Now, what I need all of you to do is adjust your mirror, your center mirror, use both hands, adjust that mirror. Your driver's side mirror, you need to look straight ahead and bring that mirror in. You want to see the door handle, okay? Now, the passenger side, we want to see the door handle too. I'm in North America, so our steering wheel is on the left, we drive on the right. As we go through the process, I'm going to be talking about the driving skills report card, what you should do, and how you should manifest positivity. Whenever we back up, we want to put our foot on the brake and look over our shoulder. Use your hand, your opposite hand, put it on the passenger seat. This turns your pelvis, which turns your body, and I'm looking left and right. I'm going to turn the wheel to the left, the rear goes to the left, the front swings out to the right. You see me looking and checking traffic. Now I stop, I put the car into drive, and there's the front. Now, we usually drive around a college, a school, to really work on speed control. We're going to change it up a little bit. We're making a left turn. I want to show you what we're doing. We turn on our blinker. We look left, right, left. We look where we want the car to go. We gently accelerate out. We're going to stay to the left. We're going to follow the road around to the left. We're going to go in slow, take our time, and we're going to stay to the left side. There are two stop signs, one for the left, one for the right. We want to be on the left because we're making a left turn. Then we're going to come up and stop. This is the stop line. We stop behind the line. We look and check traffic. I'm looking left and right. There's some cars coming. I'm going to move up, then I'm going to wait. I'm going to show you what you're supposed to be doing. If you're not doing this, you will lose points. I'm looking left, I see a truck. I'm looking right, I see cars. I want to show you this. There's the truck, SUV. And then I'm going to make my left turn, and I'm gradually going to accelerate. We have a double yellow, can't pass. We have a solid line to the right. They turn on their blinker, that's 3 blinks. I squeeze my brake, let them turn, then I proceed. Just joined us, I'm a state certified driving instructor. I teach adults and teens. We're talking about the driving skills report card. Do you have good speed control in the curves? Do you have proper lane positioning? Are you drifting left, drifting right? We know beginning drivers tend to struggle with lane positioning. I have a lot of my adult drivers today drifting to the right. We had to tell them, center your car, you will be to the left. We're maintaining good speed, being patient, we're taking our time. They use 2 blinks, that's fine. Let's talk about these signs. These are chevron alignment signs. They let us know that the road is going to the left, they're on the right side. That vehicle's in a hurry. They cut off 3 cars, including me. Now I'm off the gas a little bit. We have our chevron alignment signs to the right. Squeezing my brake because that rear car has the blinker. The black car was very late. See how they're tailgating? But we're gonna take our time. You're gonna see a lot of reckless behavior, and I want you to see this. And I'm gonna be patient. Those cars up, they're still going fast, still clowning, still fooling. I need you to be a better driver than them. We'll go as long as we can. We don't want the camera to overheat, the phone to overheat, but I'm gonna try to give you as much as I can with the time that I have. Okay, double yellow lines, chevron alignment signs on the left, the road on the right, the road is going to the left. I see the bike rider, I'm looking ahead. I see 2 other bike riders, a total of 3. 2 have a helmet on, 1 does not. Maintaining good speed control, sorry for the bumps. I'm gonna take you guys in more moderate traffic so we can get a realistic view. I'm gonna get over to the right, check my blind spot. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. I look over my shoulder and I check my blind spot. We wanna see the rear of the tires on the rear. It's been a really good day. I've been up since 6 this morning. Expressway, road test prep, right turns, left turns, lane changing, roundabouts. Okay, we're gonna make our turn, but then we need to get over to the left lane. Some cities, some states have J-turns. You can't make a left at the intersection, so the light's now yellow, now it's red. We have to, and we're gonna be in the inside lane, and we stop. Positioning the wheels to the left, so when it's clear, I'll make a left in the inside left turn lane. There's a lot of traffic here. I'm gonna show you what you should be doing. You should be looking across your shoulder, out to the passenger side front window and side window looking at traffic. The A-pillar does block my view. The A-pillars are the pillars that are the front part of the roof that hold the front windshield in. I'm going to move forward a little. I'm going to show you, okay?